Hey, Weston here with Salt City Steel, and it's getting to be fall, and it's probably slowed down a little bit around your shop, possibly. Or this is good stuff you should do anytime is maintain your equipment, guys. And one of the best things to do at all for a welder is this: get your high flow blower. You don't even have to have a high flow, just a good blower. Get in here and blow that shit out. You want to even go into the fans where they are. Blow out all that dust. Oh, it doesn't even hurt to open that door and get it all blown out. Just clean out your machine. Get that dust out. Not a bad time to throw in a new liner if you need to. Pop a new liner in your gun. Definitely a new tip if needed. Throw a new spool of wire on. That's what we got to do next. See all that? Unplug your machines first. Get that crap out. This Capri Tools blower. This thing is insane. We've got a couple of their different blowers. This is the one I had sitting here, and it is rocking. Go over your table. Even your recording electronics. Blow them off. Get rid of some shit off your table. I should start cleaning that table, but I don't think I got time today, so we're gonna leave it until the next big project comes in. Oh, look, we even got a grinder here. Blow them off. Those build up with shit inside, and you just gotta clean them. Just get all that dust off everything. Your stuff's gonna thank you. One thing I run in my welder to keep my wire nice and clean and my liner lubricated on my MIG welder are these Lubomatic or Weldaid Lubomatic little pucks. I don't know. And every now and again, you just gotta put this lube on them. It's a good thing to do in the fall here. Now it's gonna stop evaporating as much. Just fill that thing up. You come in. You can wash them even, or get new ones. Depending on what time of year it is. Oh. Make sure your power's off whenever you open your welder and it's unplugged. Pop in a new one. Not sponsored by these guys at all, but I've always liked using them. Looks like we're about due for a new roll of wire here coming soon, so we better get that on the shelf. We don't have one. Yeah. In your weld shop, dust goes everywhere. So every now and again, just grab your blower and clean out those places you don't want dust to be. Clean out your toolbox. Clean out your welder. Blow all that crap out of your stuff. Your grinder, come in carefully. Put a good respirator on. Today I couldn't find one, so I got one of the O2 Armor, so at least it's not going in my nose holes. Clean out your drawers. Get that dust out. Blow your machine off. Blow your table off. Protect your investments and your work area, guys. Clean your vise. Just come in here and blow off. I mark what's old with a careful hand. Cut the noise to a working plan. No thunder speech. Tight little space. The dust really can kill your equipment, so blow it. Blow it hard.